Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we will be doing some saltfish sushi rolls with plantains. And for this recipe we're going to start off by cooking our rice. Now I bought the sushi rice from Amazon, and this is what I'm going to be cooking. Now you're going to cook it according to the instructions. And next we're starting with our plantain. And now we're going to start to assemble, and I have all my ingredients lined up. I have my fried plantain, cucumber and avocado, I have my saltfish, and I have my sushi rice. I also have some water because the sushi rice does get sticky and you don't want it to stick to your fingers. And the first thing I'm going to do is lay down some sushi rice. Now I try to leave at least half an inch or a quarter of an inch on the sides, so that when I roll it, it won't be too stuffed. So we're gonna start with that. And I went ahead and I spread that rice all over. Now we're just going to flip this over and start to put in our layers. Next, I start going in with my saltfish. Now you can use whatever filling that you like. Now the saltfish was already prepared from the previous day that I had for breakfast, but I have videos on how I make it. Next we go in with our cucumbers. Just gonna layer it right here. Followed by avocado. And now we're gonna start to gently roll our sushi. Gonna hold the contents in as you wrap. Next, I'm just going to layer my plantain and my avocado on the top. And this is how it looks, guys. I'm gonna start by cutting it in half, and then a quarter, and then half of those as well. So I should end up with 8 pieces. And this is how it looks, guys. See how beautiful that is. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.